This Saturday, November the 9th, there will be a Veterans Day ceremony here in the Veterans Memorial Park across from the VFW in Rockingham. It starts at 11 a.m. and this is a combined effort from several local veteran organizations. After the ceremony, there will be lunch, and then in downtown Rockingham, there will be continued Veterans Day celebrations with Mark McKinney and Company performing live starting at 1 p.m. This will be in the parking lot across from the new RCC building and Hudson Brothers. And at 2:15, an all-veterans jump team will jump in downtown Rockingham. So join these Veterans Day celebrations here in Richmond County, and those two are just two of a few more we have lined up around the county. I'm Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, bringing you your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all things fun here in rocking Richmond County. Before Veterans Day celebrations start on Saturday, we have more fun around town. Tonight, Luke Vuncannon Music will have Picking in the Park in downtown Ellerbe. Today also starts the Christmas open house at Simply Chic Monogram Boutique in downtown Rockingham, and also extended November market days at Willow Tree and Company. You can see times and more details about those events on the Facebook event pages. Here at the VFW in Rockingham, they will have their first of every other Thursday Soups and Stews fundraiser. You can also see more information and what soups or stews will be available on the Facebook event page. Over at Axe to Grind in Hamlet, Bowtie will be there with Music Bingo. Tomorrow, Friday, November the 8th, the second day of Willow Tree and Company's November Market Extended Days, Simply Chic's Christmas Open House, and live music will be at Hudson Brothers Deli with Ducky Medlock. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. In Hamlet, Axe to Grind is going to have DJ Swiftnote. Mega Park in Hamlet starts their open hours for the weekend on Friday at 1 p.m. until 11 p.m. Saturday, they will also open at 1, and Sunday, Saturday night, they will have a special art exhibit with art from Teresa Williams Purcell. You can see more information about this special addition to their open weekend hours at Mega Park on their Facebook, Instagram, or website. Saturday, November 9th, in addition to the ceremony here at 11, the Veterans Day celebration downtown Rockingham that starts at 1 p.m. Rockingham Dragway has their own Freedom at the Rock to celebrate veterans. Gates will open at 8 a.m. It is free entry for all veterans, active or retired, and also all first responders and their families. They have a full day of fun on the track and off the track, and will also feature an all-veteran jump team. You can see more details about Freedom at the Rock, and this is presented by Innovation Performance Technologies on Rockingham Dragway's website, Facebook, or Instagram. Also in downtown Rockingham on the lawn of Cole Plaza, Tina Miller State Farm Insurance is hosting an Autumn Fall Festival. This starts at 12 p.m., ends at 5 p.m. Across the road at Hippy Dippy Marketplace, they will have a cookie decorating class. You can see more information on their website or Facebook event page, and also purchase tickets. Live music Saturday night in the lounge at Strikers. This will feature Chris Marks. Over at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G, and at Axe to Grind in Hamlet, Bowtie will be there with karaoke. Sunday, November the 10th, Rockingham Dragway is hosting an open test and tune event. Over at Coleman's Creek in Ellerbe, they are celebrating their veterans and their members with a full day of fun for everyone. Make sure to bring the kids, and you can see more information about this on their website or Facebook and Instagram. On Monday, Veterans Day, November the 11th, Norman will celebrate their veterans in the Field of Honor. This is at 3 p.m. For more information on these events and lots more upcoming here in Rockingham, Richmond County, make sure you are subscribed to our blog on visitrichmondcounty.com so you can receive our newsletter every Monday. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We hope to see you around town this weekend, and we encourage you to celebrate our veterans.